You should buy 2 kilos. You know, your wife will be happy. Hey, vegetables, fresh vegetables. Fresh vegetables, come on buy, come on try.
Hello, sailor.
Hello, sir.
What vegetables do you have today?
Sir, I have today fresh vegetables. Papaya, pointed gourd, bottle gourd, and also cucumber, bitter gourd. And see, look here. It's a fresh vegetables, pumpkin.
What is the price of 1 kilo of cucumbers?
Oh, sir, it's very cheap. All the fresh and cheap. It's only 40 taka per kilo.
Can I taste on cucumber first?
Taste a
Yeah.
raw cucumber. Are you making salad in my shop?
Okay, fine. Give me 1 kilo.
Oh, sure, sir, sure. Just wait a minute. Let me measure. Okay. See, sir, how fresh the vegetables. And it's very fresh. And I have brought them a few minutes ago. Okay. 1 kilo?
Yeah.
Sir, could I give you 2 kilo? It will be
No.
better. 1 kilo is
You can give
okay.
me 1 kilo.
Okay. Hey, vegetables, fresh vegetables, come on buy. Fresh vegetables. Mama, here you go.
Mama, it's good and fresh.
Mama is totally fresh. I have brought them few minutes ago. See, look all the lady's finger, how fresh is it?
How much of 1 kilo of lady's finger?
Today only for you. I'll give you 10 taka discount, 60 taka per kilo.
Can you make 30 taka for me?
30 taka. Then I will have to grace tonight.
Okay. I will pay 50.
50 taka. No, 50 taka. 55 taka, it's okay.
Okay, Mama.
Okay,
Thank you.
Mama. Mama, should I give you 2 kilo?
No.
See, Mama, it's a fresh vegetable. See, it's a fresh vegetables. See, look at the vegetables. It's totally fresh.
Okay, give me 1 kilo.
Sir, you should buy 2 kilos. You know, your wife will be happy.
Please give me 1 kilo.
Okay, 1 kilo, 1 kilo. Okay. Okay, Mama, here you are.
How much for all this?
All is 1 kilo of cucumber, 1 kilo lady's finger, 150 taka only.
Here you are.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Here your 50 taka back. Today.
Thank you.
You know, I have been selling vegetables for the last 10 years. My father used to sell vegetables. My fathers used to sell vegetables. And now I sell vegetables. You're the best customer for today.
মামা মজা লাও তুমি আমার সাথে